Okay, this is part 2 of October the 13th post-market recap. Higher low, higher high on the 10-year note. It is pointing higher, but looking up here, we've got a range. Got a seller above 29.12. We've got a buyer below 28.08. And we're getting towards the top part of the range, which means we need to take it out pretty quickly tomorrow to hold the length in their positions. Retail sales tomorrow, autos is called minus a tenth. That could come in lower than forecast. PPI is called minus 0.2, and then business inventory is unchanged. So not very strong numbers forecast for tomorrow. Okay, sell 1 will be 31 to 03. Allow them to get stops above today's day session high. It's pushing that way. Then 7 to 11 will be sell 2. It just boils down to is the trading range going to hold or not. And the best sell comes against that 29.12 area. On the buy side, 21 to 25, buy 1. And buy 2, 13 to 17. If the E-mini is selling, we don't want any part of the short side of the market. We want to play from the long side. Looking at the 30-year. Had liquidation in the knob spread, but it didn't come off all that much. So right now we're trading high. We have a B period high at 8. We got an A period high at 14. So 3 to 7 will be sell 1. And then we're going to make 15 to 19 sell 2 on the idea that we might have a trading range hold. Now, if the E-mini is selling, we do not want to be short. The buy side 25 to 21. And then we'll go for 9 to 13 for buy 2. Okay, gold, we talked about it on the F1 screen, how 68 was reasonable resistance. This area right here, 68 to 70, that R high, that E high right there. Then we had this K high at 73, capital K high at 78, so 73 to 75. If we get through 70, we're going to 75 probably plus or minus is where the market is headed. And we get through that, then it's all the way back up to this volume area, 87 to 1200. And inside day right here, pretty good chance for a trading range. The selling last night started in Asia in the A period, and it took us down to our day session opening almost. So pretty simple trade. 68.70 sell 1, 74.76 sell 2. On the buy side, 60.62 buy 1, and then 55.57 buy 2. On to crude. We like crude this morning. Crude's not telling us that war is breaking out all over the Middle East. Crude's not telling us that the sea lane is the Persian Gulf with us withdrawing our carrier is threatened. So we have this little break right here in the basically 46 area. We have today's low at 46.51. That high was 50. Crude normally trades at $2 to $3 range, so we're beneath that. So $3.47 takes us back to our 444 area, which is really where this move out of the middle took place the other day. So F1 says find a place to sell it. F2's pretty square distribution, but a weak close right here. And if we do an I split, move out of the middle, comes right out of this high volume area. It's pointed lower, so 46.50, so 46.75, 47. I'm going to pull that down a little bit to pick up this area right here, sell 1. And then I'm going to make 47.50, 47.75, sell 2. And what we'd like to see is for London to go higher than fail at 47. I think that's an easier trade. 46, 46 and a quarter, buy 1. It's on the assumption we can get through 50. And then 45 and a quarter, 45.50, buy 2. And that would kind of set up covering in front of 45, that round number, for those that got short off of 50. And to the euro, the early strength overnight in the euro was attributed to the revaluation of the yuan by a couple of pips or ticks. I don't really follow that market all that closely, so I know what ticks are. I guess pips are the equivalent. So it's trying to trade higher. We've got this high over here, basically 14.25, 14.50 is pretty good resistance. If we jump through that, it'll be pretty easy to get up to 115, 115.50. The support side looks like we got pretty good buying below 12.50 as it stands right now. So we have volume very, very slowly notching up in the distribution. We're rejecting prices again over 114. So we'll go 14.15.25, sell 1. And then 50 plus or minus for sell 2. On the buy side, 13.75 buy 1. And 13.40 to 50 buy 2. And big numbers tomorrow that come in. My guess is they're coming in lower than forecast, which would mean the euro's got a pretty good chance of trading up in anticipation as such. I apologize for pilot error. You see why 50% of all aircraft accidents are due to pilot error. Anyway, back in the old days it was that much. Might be a little less today. And I will see you all bright and early in the morning. We'll have a 2-part post-market recap. Y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.